Located at the center of our solar system, the Sun is the closest star to our planet. 98% of our Sun's composition is hydrogen and helium. The remaining 2% of our Sun's composition is made up of oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, neon, magnesium, silicon, and iron. The Sun is the most massive celestial body in our solar system, making up 99.8% of its mass. Also, the Sun is the largest celestial body in our solar system with a diameter of 1.4 million kilometers, making it 109 times the size of Earth. If our Sun were hollow, you could fit 1.3 million Earths inside it. If the Sun didn't exist, life on Earth wouldn't exist either. The Sun gives off light and heat, and we need both to make the Earth a hospitable place for life. Also, plants use light from the Sun for photosynthesis, creating food for animals and oxygen for us to breathe. The Sun is divided into 6 parts. They are the core, the radiative zone, the convective zone, the photosphere, the chromosphere and the corona. Temperatures vary in each part of the Sun from about 5,000 degrees Celsius in the photosphere up to 15 million degrees Celsius in the core. Because of the extreme temperatures in the Sun's core, something known as nuclear fusion occurs. Nuclear fusion is a nuclear reaction in which atomic nuclei of low atomic number fuse to form a heavier nucleus with the release of energy. The energy travels from the core all the way to the photosphere where the energy is transformed into sunlight. The Sun's light takes 8 minutes to reach us. Why? Because that's how fast light travels from the Sun all the way to Earth. The Sun, along with the rest of the solar system, formed from a cloud of gas and dust known as a nebula. As the nebula collapsed because of its gravity, it spun faster and flattened into a disk. Most of the material was pulled toward the center to form the Sun. Within about 5 billion years, the Sun will run out of hydrogen in its core and will begin to burn helium instead. When the Sun starts to burn helium, it will expand into a red giant. It is expected that the Sun will engulf Mercury, Venus, and even Earth. After engulfing Mercury, Venus and Earth, the Sun will collapse on itself and turn into a white dwarf. This wraps up the video. If you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel for more weekly videos like this. Thanks for watching.